In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook tasks. If you're looking to stay organized without juggling sticky notes or scattered reminders, Outlook's built-in task features are a simple, powerful way to keep everything in one place. Start by opening Outlook and selecting the To-Do icon in the left navigation pane. It looks like a checkmark. This opens your smart lists, including My Day, Important, Planned, and All tasks. Think of My Day as your focused shortlist for what you'll tackle now, Important for items you've marked as high priority, Planned for anything with a scheduled date, and All tasks as the full library. If you're on the desktop version and want to jump straight into creating a task, you can also press Ctrl-Shift-K for quick access. To create a task, click the plus sign next to add a task in any list, type a clear description, and press Enter. Keep the text short and actionable, like Review Quarterly Report, rather than something vague. When you add tasks from a smart list, they're saved to your default tasks list in the background, so everything stays organized even if you're working from My Day or Important. On Outlook Desktop, you can also go to Home, select New Items, then Task. Fill in the details you need and choose Save Close to capture it. Once a task exists, select it to open the Details pane. Here, you can set a due date for today, tomorrow, or pick a custom date that better fits your schedule. Add a reminder so Outlook nudges you at the right time, and make the task repeat daily or weekly if it's something ongoing. If the work has multiple parts, break it down with add steps so you can check off progress without losing sight of the overall goal. Mark a task with a star if it's important, and use the Notes area to capture context or links. You can also attach files up to 25 megabytes to keep reference material close to the task itself. For organizing and finding tasks later, categories and tags are your friends. Apply categories to group similar work, and add inline tags like work to make quick filtering simple. If you live in your inbox, flagging an email will automatically create a task for follow-up, which is a great way to ensure nothing slips through. That's it. Thanks for watching.